Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try to make some air fried bacon. It seems like it's pretty straightforward and simple. Typically what I do is make my bacon in the bacon... I make my bacon in the bake setting of our air fryer. We have the air fryer that's like a combination of a toaster oven and an air fryer, which I don't really see that often. So typically I use the bake function. It's really awesome because I don't have to wait for my oven to heat up or anything like that. And so I just always use the bake setting. The air fryer setting I haven't played around with too much. I've only made chicken wings or like freezer stuff like tater tots and chicken nuggets for my son. But today I'm gonna try, instead of baking the bacon, I am gonna do the air fryer function. And so we're gonna make that and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what my air fryer basket looks like. This is the baking sheet, but when you air fry, you use them together because then this acts as like a catch. So I put aluminum foil so that cleanup is a bit easier, but it's meant to catch all the grease from the fryer basket, and then it just goes in stacked like this. And I'll show you what that looks like when I put it in right now. All right, so this is our air fryer. It's the Ninja. I don't know what model or version, I just know what brand it is. And like I said, it looks like a toaster oven, but it has all these different settings. So I'm going to set it to air fry. I'm gonna do 375 because that's typically the temp you would cook bacon. And then I'm going to do 5 minutes. The thing about frying is you do have to do a flip so that it evenly cooks. I'm gonna start with 5 minutes. So this is like the baking rack. It kind of looks like what you would have in an oven. So our little catch unit kind of goes right, slides right down into that. And then there's like this ridge that will hold the basket. So with that, we just slide it in together. I'm gonna start this. I'm going to start it because it takes a minute to preheat, but it's not as long as what like an oven would take. And then we're going to air fry it and see what it looks like. I realized something. I have a way thicker cut bacon, so I added a couple more minutes. I think I'm gonna do about 7 minutes per side. So we'll see what that will look like after the first 7 minutes and then when we flip. All right, we're gonna take a look and see what the bacon looks like. Ooh, so far it looks really good. Like I had mentioned, I'm just going to flip it and then do it again for about 7 minutes. I think if you're using a thinner cut bacon, you can do it for less time each side. My son is trying to whisper and be quiet, but he's doing like that little yelling whisper. It's so funny. Okay, start that over. Oops. Going to do 7 minutes and then start it again. Oh. All right, there's our air fried bacon. It was really simple to do. If you have a thinner cut bacon, I would just remember to do less time on each side. I'd maybe start at 5 minutes on one side, flip it and do 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Because I had a thicker cut bacon, I did about 7 minutes per side. I mean, this is like a really thick cut. And I'm just having it with my gluten-free crunchy pancakes with some fruit and a little bit of maple syrup. If you want this gluten-free pancake recipe, just look into my videos list. It should be just a couple videos up from this one. But there you have it. I'm gonna try it to see how crunchy it got. And then let you know. Okay, I'm gonna try a piece of the bacon. I think for thick bacon, it's cooked perfect. And it cooks way faster. When I bake the bacon on the bake setting in the air fryer, it's at least 25 minutes. And this only took about 15 minutes to air fry. So this method was really great. It's a lot faster and the results were really good. I'll insert, this is gonna be its own independent video, but I'll insert one where I use like a regular sliced bacon that's not as thick as this one to see how much faster that one takes to cook. Because I'm all about cooking food really fast in an efficient way because I have to move on to other things, and there's so many awesome appliances that help you do that. So thanks for watching, and I hope you give this method a try. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again. See you soon.